Now it's time to start ripping out all that XP infrastructure. We want to get rid of XConnect and XDB shards, and we want to get rid of all the personalization rules. We don't want anything from XP still running after this. Now that might mean that we need to move some XDB data. Now the SmartHub CDP does have APIs to do kind of like a batch import, and we should look at that data and say, what's the data we need to move over? We've been running personalized for a while now, so we probably don't need to worry about the things like session data, recent session data, because we've already gathered it. We also don't need to move things like anonymous contacts. Somebody who's anonymous in XDB, it's going to be hard to match up over into an anonymous thing and personalize. So we can probably skip that. The other piece that we need to look at is, do we want to migrate all this data? So when we think about XP is using XDB data in the context of a platform tool. So it's being used for marketing automation, email marketing, personalization, everything under there, right? But when we move to personalize, now we're moving into a tool that is focused on personalization. That means we may not need all the data. We just need the data that drives personalization. And as we do this, and there's fewer and fewer requests coming in to the content delivery layer for personalization, well, we can get down to like virtually none or no CDs altogether because we're not having to use those anymore.